Good morning. I just wanted to come on quickly. I've got a craft fair today, so I thought I'll try and film a video of my day selling at a craft fair. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's really dark today and a bit gloomy, and I feel like it's like 3 o'clock in the morning. I'm so tired. I didn't sleep very well. I think just the anxiety of it all gets you the day before. Anyway, I'll sign off now and I'll try and take some videos throughout the day. See you later. Hi, so I've landed here. This is where the fair is. It's at Weatherby Town Hall. It's looking really good, and there's lots of people around putting Christmas decorations up, so it's going to look really festive, I think, later on. Hi, so I've just got back from the craft fair. I've just packed everything away. I'm absolutely shattered. I'm really tired. It's only about 4 o'clock and it's so dark now. I made about £135, so not fabulous, but at the beginning I was really scared because I thought, these are not my people, they're not going to like my jewellery. The people who came in the first hour were just, yeah, really elderly people, and they were just not my kind of customer at all, and I just thought, if this carries on for the rest of the day, I'm not going to make a penny. But what happened was the crowd got a little bit younger as the day went on, and I did make some sales, so I was like, thank God. So yeah, I made £135, which is better, you know, than I had this morning, but it does take a lot out of you, and I'm really tired. I met a lovely friend next to me who was selling handmade chocolates, so I ended up buying birthday present, a present for us, and then there was an artist downstairs doing lovely watercolours, so I've ended up spending £30 on a watercolour painting as well for someone's Christmas present. So I think that's the downside with craft fairs. The money you make, you just end up spending it there on other people's stuff because you meet so many good crafters and artists. So yeah, I'm going to sign off now. Yeah, I might think about doing another one next week. I'm going to see if I can get a cancellation because I'm all ready to go and set up. But yeah, I'll see you then.